Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here to talk about the other version of you, the second you, the other you, who is living in another dimension and is living your dream life. So I'm going to talk about that version of you. Who is it? Where is he or she? Which dimension are they living? How could you connect with them? Why? Because they hold your manifestation power, because they're living your dream life, and you could only achieve all your dreams by connecting to them. Once you connect with them, then they're going to help you walk each step to get to that dream. And that's the secret of every human being who has achieved their dream. They have connected to their higher self, to that other version of themselves. Who is that version of you? Where do they live? That other version of you is called your higher self. It is exactly you, that person, another version of you, who is living millions and millions of years ahead of you. Energetically and knowledge-wise, they're living millions of years ahead of you. So they know exactly what you need to do so you could get to your dream life. And that's how I manifested all that I wanted to do. In 2023, I started manifesting for a dream house that I wanted to buy with my husband, our first home as a family with my husband and my son. I manifested that house and we bought it in 2024. We did not even have the down payment in 2023, but everything gathered together and we bought the house in 2024. I manifested my son and a good, healthy, happy delivery to my son, which happened exactly like I manifested it. I also manifested my business growth, which has grown in crazy ways. Right now, the most amazing marketing team, which I found through manifestation, is working on my manifestation online course, the course that I have to teach people how to manifest their dream life fast and easy in less than 1 year. They're working on that online course and it grew like crazy. So these are all the things I manifested in 2023 and they all happened in less than 1 year. I also manifested my best friend, who's like my sister, to move to Canada. And she moved to Canada this year. So everything works like a magic wand once you start connecting to your higher self and once you start getting to know them, because they know you, but you don't know them. You are the one who is supposed to initiate to connect with them. Now, where do they live? Another dimension is not another planet. Some people believe that your higher self live in another planet. But I personally believe that they live in this planet, planet Earth, but in another dimension. So what is another dimension? Let's say someone who is a medium and they could see spirits, they connect to another dimension. Spirits live in another dimension. Or angels, for example, they live in a different dimension. Many other beings who I don't even want to name them because their energy and our energy does not really match to us. They have negative energy, so I don't want to name them because I don't want to attract them. But they all live in different dimensions on planet Earth. This house I'm living in, this is a new house we just bought, and I manifested. There are different dimensions who are living in this house. There are different beings who are living in this point where my house is located right now. And your house too. Every point on this planet Earth has different dimensions. Some of those dimensions, they cannot see us. We cannot see them. Everyone is living happily, but no one can see each other. Our higher self could see us. They're living in a different dimension. They could see us, but we cannot see them. So you want to learn how to see them, how to connect with them, how to learn from them, how to make them teach you the next step so you could become a manifestation magnet of your life. Your higher self is currently watching you from the other dimension. Now, how could you connect to your higher self? There is a door gate for you to become energetically aligned with that higher self so you could connect to them. And that door gate is your inner child. So we also have an inner child who's also living in a different dimension. The more you give love to that inner child, the more self-love you give to yourself, you make the inner child happier. The happier your inner child is, the closer your higher self is to you. Because your higher self has so much love for your inner child, for the true you. You are your inner child. And your higher self loves your inner child. If you know how to make that inner child happy, your higher self will know how to make you happy. So the number one key to connecting to your higher self is self-love. You need to start going in front of the mirror and tell yourself how much you love you, how much you appreciate you, how much you care about you. And you need to actually prove that to yourself, not just talk about it and live the rest of your day hating yourself, hating your body, hating your hair, hating everything that you do. You need to start loving yourself and stop being so rough on yourself all the time. Stop blaming yourself for everything. Start loving yourself. How do you exactly connect to that higher self of yours after you start giving self-love to yourself? By writing. Writing. Why do everyone talks about writing? Why everyone journals? Every successful human being on this planet journal. Why is it that everyone who is living a successful life talks about journaling and writing your dreams as if they happened? Because once you start doing that, writing, like the power of pen or pencil on paper, once you start writing, the superpowers will happen. You're going to start connecting to them. So if you want to start manifesting right now, right this moment, you don't want to watch any other videos, you don't want to do anything else, you just want to start manifesting now. Right now is the time for you to start manifesting. Take a piece of paper or take a journal, start writing. You might be asking me, what do I write? The best, simplest way to journal is start your journal by gratitude. So on top of the page, you're going to date the journal as today. You're going to start writing your blessings and all that you're grateful for, at least 5 of them every single morning. Everything that you have. And some people, they're like, I don't have anything to be grateful for. I lost my job, I lost my home, I lost my parents. Come on. The fact you're breathing, the fact you're watching this video with your own eyes, you're hearing it with your own ears, you are a alive human being sitting here, watch this video, you are blessed. So find every blessing that you have and write it in your journal, at least 5 of them. After you're done writing your blessings, you're going to start writing everything that you want to have as if they already happened. This is what every successful human being talks about. Why? Because they learned how to connect to their higher self. You're going to start writing, for example, you want to become a yoga teacher, you want to start earning $100,000 a year. This is just an example. You're going to start writing, I am a very successful yoga teacher. I have my studio. I have this many number of students. I make this amount of money each year. And I have the best partner that I could ever ask for. I have the best children that I could ever ask for. I'm healthy. I'm happy. Today we went to my mother-in-law's house. We had a great relationship. We celebrated our health because we had a health examination and everything came perfect. So you write a scenario like the dream life that you want to have as if it already happened. And then at the end of it, you're going to sign your name. At the bottom of the page, you're going to sign your name. Now, if you want to make this even more magical, I have another YouTube video, which is up here. You could go ahead and watch it. It gives you a code. You could use a code in your journaling, which is going to make it a lot more magical. Why is my manifestation so fast? It works like a miracle so fast because I work with the power of lights. I work with the power of numbers, with the power of shapes, with the power of colors, with the power of moon, sun, and earth. And these all combined together makes that powerful magic wand as a human being within my life that I can achieve anything that I want to achieve in less than a year. So watch this video up here and use that code, the power of numbers, obviously, in your journaling. And it's going to make it even more powerful. You're going to connect to your higher self the first time you start journaling. If you're energetically in a very high frequency, very connected, you're going to feel how connected you are to your higher self as soon as you start writing. If you're not yet energetically there, you might not feel it, but you're going to start feeling good. Something good is going to happen in you. And that is the connection between you and your higher self, because the higher self is now noticing you by you writing what you want to have in life. You have to do this practice every day, though. Consistency is the key to manifestation, because manifestation is a lifestyle. It's not like you write something now and then you live your life for the rest of the year and it's going to happen. No, your lifestyle has to become manifestation lifestyle. You have to use different powers that you have available in your life. The power of water, the power of moon, the power of earth, sun, numbers, shapes, all the things that I mentioned earlier. They're all available to you. And if you start learning how to use it, if you want to learn them, watch my other videos. I have so many information on my channel about all the methods and miracles that I use in my life. But if you really want to dive deep into it, that manifestation online course is for you. So go ahead and check the link below in the description. If you want to be more connected to me, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I love to have you there. I love to be connected with you. I'm becoming more and more active on social media now. I just had a baby almost a year ago, and I haven't been really that present on social media because I was really busy with my move and the baby and the growth of my business. But now I'm coming back stronger than ever before. I love to have you there on my social media as a friend. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask the question in the comments and I will personally answer your questions. I love to connect with you. And if you really want me to record any videos about manifestation, if you have any questions, any areas about manifestation, go ahead and ask me in the comments. I will make sure to record those videos in the future video. I will be teaching everything that I know about manifestation as much as I know here on YouTube and on my TikTok, on my social media. But like the detailed ones, if you also need my support and how to do it and they become a part of Manifestation Tribe and become like me, like a manifestation magnet. And if you want to do it quick, fast, the best way for you is that Manifestation Online course. I love you. I'm rooting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I will see you on the next video next week. Take care and have a great day. Goodbye.